Hello everyone, welcome to Lata's classes. Today I am going to start with arithmetic mean. But before watching video, please subscribe to my channel. Arithmetic mean, it is the sum of all the observations divided by the total number of observations. Here observation means the data or the information given. Okay, you can say it is the number of the numbers given in the problem. So you have to take the sum of all the data given and divide it by the number of observations given, then you can have the arithmetic mean. It is denoted by x bar. Okay, x bar is the notation given to arithmetic mean. Then how do we calculate the arithmetic mean? For example, let the data given be x1, x2, x3 up to xn, n number of observations. Then the arithmetic mean x bar will be the total of all the observations x1, x2, x3 up to xn divided by the number of observations. Here n number of observations are there, so we will take it as n number of observations. This will be the method to calculate the arithmetic mean. But here what is data? Okay, so what kinds of data are there? So there are mainly two kinds of data. One is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means the simple data in or information given. Simple means, for example, the data given may be x is equal to 1, 10, 20 or something up to 100, or this is the ungrouped data. Okay, here you have the only information given will be x, means the numbers, nothing will be given, no frequencies will be given. But in grouped data you will have, there are two kinds of grouped data. What are those two kinds of grouped data? One is discrete, another one is continuous. One is discrete data and another one is continuous data. So here grouped data involves x as well as f. F means here frequency, x as well as f. Okay, so but grouped data involves only x, ungrouped data involves only x, grouped data involves x as well as f. Here first of all we will understand the method to calculate, mean for ungrouped data first. Okay, so let us go to the calculation of mean for ungrouped data. Let us understand the calculation of mean for ungrouped data. Ungrouped means simple data. There will be no frequencies given, only the information about x is given. Okay, so there are three main methods to calculate the mean for ungrouped data. First one is direct method, second one is assumed mean method, and third one is step deviation method. What is the direct method? First one is direct method. This is very simple method to calculate the mean for the ungrouped data. For example, let x1, x2, x3 up to xn is the information given. Then mean x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 up to xn divided by n. Okay, so then mean x bar is equal to x1, x2, x3 up to xn is nothing but sigma x. Sigma means here total of x divided by n. This is the formula to calculate the mean by direct method. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the mean by direct method. What is the formula, students? X bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. So here sigma x is equal to total number of sigma x is equal to sum of all the observations, and n is equal to total number of observations. This is how you calculate the mean for ungrouped data by simple or direct method. Let us solve an example given here. Okay, the x values given are 120, 150, 180, 200, 250, 300, 220, 350, 370 and 260. So here totally there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is equal to 10. There are 10 number of observations. Okay, so what do we need? We are solving this problem by direct method. Okay, so here this is an ungrouped data. As you know, this is an ungrouped data. So for this ungrouped data, formula will be, what is the formula? What is the formula for the ungrouped data here? So formula is x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. Okay, first we need sigma x. So sigma x is the total of all the observations. So total of all these observations I have calculated is 2400. Total is 2400 and n is equal to 10. So the average or mean is equal to x bar is equal to 2400 divided by 10, that is equal to 240. This is the average by direct method. In the next video, I am going to tell about assumed mean method. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification of the next videos. Thank you.